Okay. Hari Tarun. Okay. So yes. So welcome to the topic Vinculum numbers. Now, what is Vinculum? Yes.
It's a combination of both positive and negative digits.
Yes. So it is a combination of positive and negative numbers. Now, negative digits, in fact, positive and negative digits. Now, this is unusual for us. Why we call it as unusual? Because generally we have a number either positive or either negative. We have never seen that a number is having two different kinds of digits. Right. If you talk about any normal number, now 25, this is, we'll say it is a positive number, positive 25. If we'll have minus 25, we'll say the entire number is minus. It is negative 25. Do we say that 2 is positive here and 5 is negative, or 5 is negative and 2 is positive? No. Now, this is a different concept, which is in Vedic mathematics, that a same number, it has two different kinds of numbers, two different kinds of digits, a positive as well as negative digits. Now, negative, positive, we all know. Negative digits in Vinculum numbers, they are represented as a bar on the top. For example, if I have to write 2, minus 2, this is 2 bar. We call it as 2 bar. If it is minus 7, we put it as 7 bar. Right. Now, coming to the combination, when we are talking about so such negative numbers, 2 bar, 7 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, or anything, they are called as rekhank. Rekhank means rekha over the ank. What is it's a Hindi version? If you say rekha over the ank, ank means number and rekha means line. Right. Now, regarding the combination, see this number 1, 2 bar, 1. Okay, we'll start with smaller. 1, 2 bar. Now here we have this 1 as a positive digit, 2
Right.
as a negative digit. So this is a Vinculum number, a combination of positive and negative. Now it does not depend ki you should have 1 positive, 1 negative. No, you can have 1 positive, 2 negative. You can have 2 positive, 1 negative. You can have any number of, this is also there. Even you can have first digit as bar. So all these are Vinculum numbers. Now the definition is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, regarding why is the need? Why do we have Vinculum numbers when we are already having a natural numbers? We have numbers from 0 and 1 to 9. We already have these numbers. So what was the need of Vinculum numbers? The need is we don't want bigger numbers. We want our calculations to be simple and easy. For that, this concept, Vinculum numbers, we don't get 6, we don't get 7, we don't have 8, we don't have 9, and we just deal with Hariom. We will learn this, how to derive these numbers. But I'll appreciate if you come on the screen and ask, because chatting would be distracting now. We are coming to this topic, Hari. Can you introduce yourself, Hari? Okay. So we're coming to that topic also. The first is definition of, are you clear with the definition now? What is vinculum numbers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Hari. Right. We'll come to that. How these are derived, we'll be going for that only. The first definition was, what is actually vinculum number? Why is the need of vinculum numbers? So derivation is the third point. We'll come to it. Don't worry. Yes, Meghna, any questions?
Sir, I have question regarding
Yes.
yesterday's topic, sir.
Which topic?
सर कल जो हमने 3 multiplications किए थे ना,
Meghna, this is a particular class for vinculum. I think then you should leave this class and we'll talk.
okay sir, okay sir, okay.
Now, when we talk, so we are not in the need of 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll avoid these numbers. So just to make our calculations, we want that numbers should be only 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now see, if the strength of the digit, if the strength of a number is decreased, definitely the calculations will be simple, right? We'll learn this in course of time. When multiplication, you have to do with 9, and if the 9 is converted to 1, so calculations would be more simple, right? So this was the need of a vinculum number, and why, what is vinculum number? Now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now what is the value? See, I gave you 3 numbers, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2 bar, 1 bar, 1,
Bar.
2, 1 bar. Now, they might seem you same, but all of them have a different value. Now, this is vinculum number. If I talk about natural number or a normal number against this, what is the normal number? Now, it's a very simple rule.
100.
Converting vinculum to normal is very simple. If you talk about, just use place-wise expression. So what is place-wise expression? 1 stands for 100, 2
Minus
stands for minus 20,
plus 1.
it stands for plus 1. So what do we get? 81.
Yes, sir.
If I talk about this is 100 minus
Plus
20
21.
minus
Plus
1,
1.
so it is 79. If I talk about this, it is 100 plus 20 minus 1, so this is 119. So see the difference. The same 3 digits are there. Just by interchanging the bars, how much difference comes in their values. One is 81, one is 79, and another is 119. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So yes, Fatima.
sir, clear.
Umesh, any question?
No, sir.
Okay. Now, coming to the first concept. Now, like Hari, yes, this is what you were asking. Conversion, or how do we derive these numbers? How do we get these numbers? So there is, the topic is called conversion of normal numbers to vinculum numbers. there is some technical problem. So conversion of normal numbers to vinculum numbers. Now, for this, we have certain rules and we have to go accordingly, right? Now, we know what is normal number. We'll start with a 2-digit number. Let's say we have a number 27. And I want to convert this into vinculum. Right. So we'll understand some rules for this. Now, the first rule, rule 1. If a number at unit place.
So can you mute Fatima? There is a noise behind, I guess.
Fatima, please.
Yeah.
If a number at unit place is greater than 5. See, when I'm saying greater than 5, you have to be very careful with the words. If it is greater than 5, that means it should be more than 5, not even 5. Then subtract 10 from it. Now, what would be the number? If it is greater than 5, that means it should be 6, 7, 8, or 9.
Yes, sir.
Only 4 options are there. If I subtract 10 from 6, what would be the answer?
4.
Yes, Fatima, what would be the answer? Umesh, Hari.
4 bar.
4 bar. Divya, I'm subtracting 10 from 6.
Okay, we have to.
So it would be always negative. So subtract 10 from it. That means we'll get a negative
Bar.
So I'll just write and use bar. It will be there. It would be obvious. It is obvious that we'll be getting a bar. In case it does not happen, in case it is not greater than 5, then, or in case it is less than 5. So in case, or you can straightforward write otherwise. That means if it is less than or it is 5, then let it remain as it is. Now this means if at the unit place instead of 7 it was 2, 1, 0, 3, 4, 5. So let it remain same. No, but now you have to understand, if you applied this part, if it is less, then in actual you have not applied rule number 1. You will remain as it is and move to next place. Next place. That means move to tens place. Correct? Is this rule you're clear? Yes, we'll take example after rule number 2. Have you written it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now rule number 2. Now 2 we divide into 2 parts. There are 2 options. So rule number 2A, it says if immediate left is less than 5, if immediate left is less than 5, add 1 to it.
Okay.
Once you have added, go back to rule number 1.
Okay.
Now let me explain you. So I took number 27. Now first I checked with unit place. Now unit place is greater than 5. So what do? I subtracted 10 from it. This gives me 3 bar.
Yes, sir.
So my rule number 1 is done. Now, after rule number 1, I move to immediate left. What is this?
It's less
This
than.
is less than 5. So what to do? Add 1 to it. So if I added 1, it became 3. So a normal number 27 can be written as vinculum 3 bar. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, but who will verify this? How can we say that yes, it is correct? We need to understand. We need to verify this first. So we have 2 ways to verify. First is, again, if I reverse the place-wise positioning, 3 bar, I can write it as 30 minus 3.
Yes, sir.
So what is that? 27. So that means vinculum 3 bar is normal 27. This is what we started with. Second is the concept of digit sum. Now, question part, it is 27. That means 2 plus 7, that is 9. Reminder side, it is, or answer side, it is not reminder, answer 3 bar. So what is that? 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. And we know whenever we have digit sum as 0 or negative, we add 9 to it. So again, both the digit sums of question and answer are same. That means whatever we have solved, that is 100% correct. Now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Fatima? Fatima, कोई डाउट?
नो सर.
आज सारे डाउट विनकुलम में क्लियर कर लीजिए.
हाँ सर.
Let's do 7-1. Now, how will we do? First, can we apply R1 here? Because this number is already smaller.
No.
So leave as it is and move to the next place. Now 7 is
3.
more. So we subtract 10 from it and it becomes
3 bar.
And again, applying the same, it becomes 3 bar. So that means 271 is
3 bar 1.
3 bar 1. Got it? Now, again, you can verify it. Any doubt, any question you have in your mind now? Yes, Divya. Any questions?
No, sir.
Fatima?
No sir.
Now, coming to the more, because it's not only, for example, if it is instead of 27, it is 47. Sorry, 477. Then what you'll do? Right. So we have another rule that is, so we said immediate left is, now once you apply R1 at unit place and the second number at tens position, let it be not less than 5, then it's more than 5. So here we applied R2A if the number was less than 5. But in case it is 5 or more, so that time we apply R2B. Now, what does that mean? So rule number R2B says, if immediate left is 5 or more, 5 or more, that means if a number is 5 or greater than 5, correct? This is what it means. So what should we do then? Subtract 9 from it. Now, when you are subtracting 9 from, again, if you are subtracting 9 from 5, what you will get? -4. If you are subtracting 9 from 6, what you'll get? -3. If you are subtracting 9 from 7, you're getting -2. 8, you'll get -1. And if you are subtracting 9 from 9, you'll get 0. Right? So I will not write what you will get, that you know. But what happens after this? Once you have applied, now once R2A is applied, it was written, go back to R1. But here, repeat. Repeat R2B or go to R2A. See very clearly. You can repeat R2B or you can move to R2A. Now you know what after R2A, that is the second procedure, that is when you apply those numbers. Now take another question. 2, 7, 7. So yes, Divya, can you solve now? Fatima?
R3, then
3, 2 bar, 3 bar,
So first is 3 bar,
then
2 bar,
2 bar, and here it is 3.
3.
Now why? Because first you applied R1, here you applied R2B, and then you applied R2A.
so it's the same question as 6, 7, 7. We'll do, then it will become 5. It will become 5.
No.
No.
No. I have now 6, 7, 7.
Yeah.
We'll have one rule more.
Okay. Okay. Fine. I got it.
Till now, we are working from right hand side. We are still to move to the leftmost part. So
Okay.
we'll try some questions, then we'll say what has to be done. 3, 8, 4, 6. Solve it. Yes, Umesh. You can also solve.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मुझे स्क्रीन पे कुछ दिख रहा है.
क्या कह रहे हैं आप?
Four 2 bar, 5 4 bar.
4, 2 bar, 5.
4 bar.
Yes. Devya?
Sir, in this scenario also, for the third number also, we applied that the rule of 10 only, right? We will not go back. Only if it is together, we'll go back to the rule 2B.
Okay, I'll explain.
That's where I get confused. Which
First says you applied rule number 1,
yes, sir.
you got 4 bar.
Yeah.
Now what after rule number 1? Immediate left is less. So you cannot apply rule number R to B. You have to apply rule number R to A. So R to A says add 1. Now once you have done rule number 2A, what is the option? Go back to rule number 1.
Okay.
Now 1 says if a number is greater, so subtract. And again, oh, so that means what we did, R2A, R1, R2A, and R1. So this was the series right from R1 to.
R2.
Now, if I just change it smaller, small change, I'll bring 6. 5. Now what is the answer?
So 6, 5, 8, 3. So we'll apply the same bar 4.
Sir, answer is 4, 2 bar, 4 bar, 4 bar.
4.
2 bar,
Hmm.
4 bar, or 4 bar.
Yes, Divya.
Yes, sir.
So now is it clear? Now first time we applied R1 over here. That means 6 minus 10. That is 4 bar.
Yes, sir.
Second time.
R2B.
Now here
Less
also
than
it is
5.
not less than 5. It is 5. So that means we cannot apply A rule number. We have to apply R to B only. That says subtract from 9. So we got R to B. Now we also said R to B can be repeated. So yes, it is again 8. Now
R2.
if I apply R to B over here, it has to become 1 bar.
So I'll apply R1.
And then after this, now the third number is less than 5. So we have to apply R to A. So it becomes 4, 1 bar, 4 bar, 4 bar. You got your problem? Yes, Fatima.
Yes, sir.
छोटी सी गलती आपको मैंने starting में I showed you how much difference 1 bar can make.
We are
1
applying.
bar can create such a big problem. You need to understand this.
Okay. Again, we're applying R2 bar only. Same.
R to A.
R2 8.
Now is it clear? Now coming to this was, now every time we saw on the left side, the number was less than 5. Now, is it necessary that every time we'll have a number less than 5? This cannot happen. So, rule number 3 now. Now, I would say this is not a rule number 3. It is basically checkpoint. And this will come before rule number 1. So you have to, whenever there is a question of conversion of normal to vinculum numbers, first apply rule number 3, then apply rule number 1. Right? So why not it was taught earlier? Because first the concept should be clear. Now see, what is that? If leftmost digit is 5 or more. See, you might sometimes think, yeah, I'm getting confused. Har bar 5, 5, 5. But this is why, because we don't want numbers above 5. So that is the reason we are putting this condition. So the leftmost number is 5 or more. Add a 0 to its left. Now, what does this mean? Let's say the number like you were talking about 671. If we follow your practice, we don't, let's ignore rule number 3 for a time being. So 1 as it is,
Yes, sir. Just
3 bar
bar.
and then again 3 bar. So do you think vinculum for 671 is 3 bar? Is it correct?
4 plus 5.
You can check using anything. Now first number is negative. So
1.
can you think for a positive we'll get a vinculum of negative? Now this was the reason. The reason was whenever you get bar at the first position while calculations, you have to understand that there was a mistake here. So whenever this number is 5 or more, add 0 to it. Does it make any difference? It does not make any difference. If you change the question initially, it does not make any difference. What difference is now after R2B, you put R2A, so it becomes 1, 3 bar, 3 bar, 1. Now see, you can check using both the verification methods, your answer would be correct. Clear? Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So now let's solve one question first. 9, 8, 1, 9. Solve. Convert this number to vinculum number.
One bar, 2 bar, 2 1 bar,
1 bar,
2 bar, 2 1 bar,
sorry, come again. 2, 1 bar.
1
1,
Ah,
1, 2,
yes,
1
sir.
bar.
Yes, Divya.
So 1, 1 bar, 2, 1 bar. 2, 1.
4 digits.
We have to add. We have to add 0 to it. Okay, we have to add 0 to it.
Fatima.
Sir, 1, 0, 2 bar, 2 and 1 bar.
Great, good. Yes, Umesh. So first is 9. So 9 means 1 bar. Correct. Everybody did this correct. Second, it is now the immediate left is less than 5. So we added 1. It became 2. Everybody did it correct. Now again, after R2A, you go back to rule number 1. So that says 8
10
minus 10. So what is 8 minus 10?
2 bar.
2 bar. Oh, sorry.
Perfect. What after that?
It's greater than 9.
9 minus, again, we can repeat
9
R to
minus 9.
B. Sorry, we can go for R to B. So 9 minus 9 is 0. And initially, since it was 9, you had to have this 0. So R to A says this. So 1, 0, 2 bar, 2, 1 bar is the correct answer. Yes, Divya?
Yes, sir. I'll just check. Okay. Since here the number is 1, we are adding up. Then it's 9. We are using the same method.
Okay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 2. Yes, now solve it.
And this one is less than 1. Add 1.
Now, is it clear? Yes, what is the answer, Fatima?
Sir, 1, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, and 6 bar.
1, 2 bar, 3 bar,
Birwa,
4 bar,
Birwa, Birwa.
then
2, sir, 7, 6, 5, 4 है ना? 2 है तो 2 as
हाँ।
it is रहेगा.
आप आंसर दीजिए मैम, ऐसे समझ
सर
नहीं आता.
2 मिनट सर 2 मिनट.
Yes, Divya?
So this one, the unit place is
1, 2 bar, 3 bar, 4 bar, 6 bar, and 2. 2 as it is, 4 bar, 3 bar, 2 bar, and 1.
Yes, Divya?
So first, from ones place, if I go 8 bar, I'm not sure, sir. So here it's less than, that's where I get confused when it comes this way.
सर
Where you don't get confused, you tell me this
सर
thing.
मुझे एक क्वेश्चन है कि हमने जो 4 किया तो उसके बाद 5 है तो हम रूल्स 2B में ऐसा होता है ना कि इफ इमीडिएट लेफ्ट इज 5 और मोर देन तो सब्ट्रैक्ट फ्रॉम 9.
Yes, Umesh, मैं एक मिनट समझाता हूँ. Yes, Umesh, what is your answer?
Okay, 1, 2 bar, 4 bar, 5, 4, 2.
1 bar,
No, sir. 1, 2 bar, 4 bar, 5, 4, 2.
Okay.
what happened? एक क्वेश्चन ठीक होता है, एक गलत करते हैं आप लोग. Why? Now see, Divya,
हाँ
So-
सर ओके.
can you apply R1 over here?
No, sir.
नो
it's
सर
less
Then-
than this thing.
फातिमा 6 बार कब सुना था आपने लास्ट टाइम? 6 बार हमने विनकुलम नंबर्स किस लिए बनाए? वी डोंट वांट 6, 7, 8 एंड आप बार बना रही हैं. आप दिव्या 8 बार. फर्स्ट रूल नंबर ही गलत. आप फर्स्ट रूल वाज इफ it is greater than 5, then subtract 10, else let it remain same. मैंने कब बताया कि हर नंबर में से 10 निकाल दीजिए. So you cannot apply any rule on these three numbers. They remain
Okay.
as it is. First time this is the number above 5. So 4 bar.
4 bar.
और क्योंकि ये लेफ्ट मोस्ट पोजीशन रूल नंबर 3 पहले लगाना था 0. Now 7. So that immediate left, it is
2 bar.
greater than 5. So 9 subtract कीजिए 2 bar. Then R2A, it is less than 5. 1. Yes, Fatima, now is it clear?
Yes.
मैंने सिली मिस्टेक कर दी.
कौन से में नहीं की? ध्यान नहीं है ना, वीडियो ऑफ जैसे ही होता है आपका, आप चेक करिए. जब वीडियो ऑन था तो करेक्ट हो रहा था, जैसे ही वीडियो ऑफ हुआ सब गलत हो गया. And the reason behind it is we get involved in so many other things. Right. Okay, I'll give one more question. 6, 7, 8, 3. Okay, इतना ही कीजिए. Convert into vinculum.
One 3 bar, 2 bar, 2 bar, 3.
1 3 bar, 2 bar,
2 bar, 2 bar,
2
3.
bar,
Bar
3. Yes, Divya.
सर यही
1 3 bar 2 bar 3. Same sir.
Yes, Fatima.
सर मारो पर आंसर सेम है. सर मेरा भी आंसर सेम है.
तो इतना डिफरेंस कैसे आया लास्ट और इस आंसर में?
P is
So now
less
understand. So
10.
the first is you apply rule number 3 that says add 0 to the left. Now
Yes.
rule number 1. So we cannot apply R1 over here as it is. R1 is applied here. 8 minus 10 is minus 2. Immediate left is greater than 5. So subtract 9 from it. So that means 2 bar. Again, it is greater than 5. Subtract minus 9. And then R2A, the number is less than 5. Add 1.
सर
Now
मुझे
it
जो
is
ये आंसर है ना उसको मुझे डिजिट सम में एक बार चेक करके दिखाइए.
digit sum में.
1.
Okay, एक मिनट. 3 और 3 बार कैंसिल हो जाएगा.
यस.
ये कैंसिल, ये कैंसिल. 2 बार का मतलब हुआ -2 + 1.
और-
कितना आंसर आया?
-1
वाओ.
ना. -1 and 2 bar -1 और -2 is -3.
ठीक है.
यस.
डिजिट सम का क्या रूल कहता है? इफ
माइनस आता है तो 9
प्लस कर दीजिए तो क्या आया?
9 9 आता है तो 9 - 3. ओके 6.
करेक्ट.
यस सर.
यहाँ को कर लीजिए. 15 का मतलब क्या होता है? 6.
6 + 3
6 + 3 तो 9 हो गया. उसको तो इग्नोर कर दिया हमने.
और आंसर 6 रहा.
कैसे 6 आया? 6 कैसे आया?
सर 7 + 8 15.
Yes.
15 +
5 plus.
So now is it correct?
सर 7 + 8 15. 15 + 3 18. 1 + 8
कौन सी
9.
दीवार में सिर मारूं?
6 plus 3 can be taken out. It is 9. Can ignore 1 9. So 8 plus 7 15.
क्या हुआ फातिमा? Can you not ignore 9?
The number is greater than 5.
Can we ignore 9 or not?
Than 5.
यस सर इग्नोर.
तो अगर नहीं करना चाहते कोई बात नहीं. 15 + 9 is 24. 24 का मतलब भी 2 + 4 6 होता है.
हाँ सर मैंने ऐसे ही पूरा करेक्शंस किया इसलिए मैं
करना
आपको.
नहीं ना. फिर आप बच्चों को फास्ट कैसे करा रहे हैं? What is the use of Vedic mathematics then? If you are not ignoring 9,
Okay, sir.
got it? Yes, Rashmi, any question? Any doubts you have? We are just doing on.
Just joined late, so I'm still not aware what is going on.
Okay, we are talking about conversion of normal number to vinculum numbers.
Yeah, okay, sir.
We have already discussed 4 rules on that. So if you have any question, I can help you out in that. Yes, solve this.
Four, 2 bar, 1 bar, 1 bar.
4 2 bar, 1 bar, 1 bar.
4, 2 bar, 1 bar.
1 bar. 1
Now
bar.
is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubts now you have in this?
So in general, rule 2b is what we keep repeating. So first we take 1,
Yes.
then rule 2b is what we keep repeating, and the last, if
Yes.
it is 3, if it is less than 5, we add 1. If it is greater, then we have to add 0 and subtract. Okay.
Correct.
Point.
Correct. So one more question. 7, 5, 1, 8, 6. So you need to practice on this. Still, you see, this is very important because whenever we'll be doing with Vedic mathematics, we'll come across when numbers have to be converted.
Okay,
Right.
answer is like this. 1, 3 bar, 5, 2, 1 bar, 4 bar.
1, 3 bar.
5,
5,
2,
1 bar, 4 bar.
1 bar, 4 bar.
1 bar. ओके, इसमें मैंने अपना एक्सपीरियंस से एक रूल बनाया है सर।
बताइए।
वो रूल क्या है कि अगर भिन्कुलम नंबर बनाना है, बार थपना है, बार जोड़ना है, तो लेफ्ट मोस्ट नंबर को एक बढ़ाना है, थपना है। अगर हटाना है तो फिर लेफ्ट मोस्ट से एक घटाना है, प्राइमिंग वाला।
ठीक है। Yes, is it clear? Fatima, did you get the answer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Rashmi, are you able to convert these? Sandeep? Okay. Yes, convert this.
1, 3,
A very simple one.
6, 1. As it is.
1, 3, 2, 2, 4 bar 1.
1, 3, 2, 2, 4 bar and 1.
1, 3,
2,
yes. Then,
2,
okay,
4 bar
yes.
and 1. 1.
Okay, anyone else with a different answer?
सर अब क्या मिस्टेक हुई है?
नहीं, बिल्कुल ठीक है, मैंने कहा ही नहीं।
नहीं सर, आप नहीं बोले इसलिए लगा कि मिस्टेक हुई है।
कॉन्फिडेंस, सी फातिमा, कोई जरूरत नहीं है वैदिक मैथ छोड़ दो अगर कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता। अगर हम बच्चों को ये बात बोलते हैं, इट इज अ जर्नी ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम फियर ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स टू कॉन्फिडेंस, तो टीचर्स में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं होगा तो क्या बेनिफिट, राइट? बी
Yes, sir,
कॉन्फिडेंट,
you are
वेरी फर्स्ट
absolutely right.
एंड फर्स्ट थिंग, मैंने आपको 2 वेरिफिकेशन टूल्स दे दिए, यू शुड वेरीफाई दैट and as for that you are correct. So why you should have doubt in yourself? Yes, anyone else have different? Yes, Divya, done?
No, sir. It's clear now.
Why? No, I said, okay.
It's clear now. That's what I was making confusing when it was a smaller number. Now I got that point.
825143.
One 2 bar 2 5143.
Yes, sir.
2,
1,
5,
2, 2, 5.
So as this and this just gets converted, correct?
Put a 0. Yeah.
So now any questions you have in conversion of normal to vinculum numbers?
No, sir. Thanks.
Anything over it? Yes. Why it is needed? What are vinculum numbers? Any doubt you have?
Yes.
So always give a thought when you are getting answer as 6 bar, 7 bar. You'll net, that means you are making some mistake. Whenever you are converting, if you are using the correct formula, if you are using the correct things, it will never give you 5 bar also. You'll always have 1 bar, 2 bar, 3 bar or 4 bar. Never 5 bar. So 6, 7 bar तो भूल जाइए जो आप कर रहे थे अभी. Yes. So this was the first part today, but we learned from normal to vinculum. We'll go reverse also, but the next week, so that in the meantime you can practice.
So,
Right. So any doubts, any questions you have, you can ask. Yes, Sandeep, you were late, but if you have any doubts, I can take it right now. Rashmi, if you have any queries, any questions?
No, sir, I'm clear with
मैं तो समझ ही नहीं पा सर क्या
Thank
है।
you.
Sandeep,
सर मेरी समझ में नहीं आ रहा सर ये क्या हो रहा है।
थोड़ा जोर से बोलेंगे.
सर मैं ये बोल रहा था कि मेरी कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा।
क्या करते हैं आप?
मैं सर सीआरपीएफ में।
सॉरी,
सीआरपीएफ सर।
सीआरपीएफ से हैं. आपको वैदिक मैथ्स करते हैं आप?
नहीं सर सुना है बाकी।
नहीं, फिर ये टॉपिक पहले ये उन्हीं के लिए था जिनको वैदिक मैथ्स ऑलरेडी कर रहे हैं, और पर्टिकुलर ये टॉपिक है, ये एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. सो और पहली बार 1 घंटे की क्लास हो गई थी तो आप लास्ट के 5 मिनट में आए, वो टॉपिक तो समझ नहीं आएगा ना. ये आप वीडियो चेक कर लीजिएगा तो मैक्सिमम आपको समझ आ जाएगा. बट बिफोर दैट व्हाट इज वैदिक मैथमेटिक्स वो समझना भी जरूरी है.
यस
करेक्ट?
यस सर यस।
So any, yes, Rush, Divya, Fatima, Umesh, any doubts?
nothing, sir. As of now, it's all clear. So I just.
Yeah. So can I give you last question then?
Yes, sir.
837192.
One 2 bar 4 3 bar 2 1 bar 2
1 2 bar
Yes, got
3.
4 4 2 bar 4 3 bar 2 1 bar 2.
Yes, Divya.
1 second, sir. I'm just thinking. 2 bar is correct.
See, very interesting number. R1, R2A, R2, R1, R2A. So first thing, 0.
Yes, sir.
Then 2 as it is. Why no rule applied?
Yeah.
First rule R1 is applied, so you subtract 10 out of it. Correct.
Yes, sir.
R2A, done. When R2A is
Seven.
applied, go back to rule number 1. So this is of
2A.
again 2A. Again, you go back to rule number 1. So it is just toggling between R2A and R1.
And 2. 1, 2 bar, 4 bar, 3 bar, and
2. Yes, sir.
Right?
Yes, sir.
So we'll have a second session next week where we'll be learning the reverse of it and negative numbers also. Vinculum of negative numbers. Right?
Okay.
Sure. So any questions you can ask me on my WhatsApp or anywhere. You
Okay.
have the links. So thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
okay, bye-bye.
Nice day.